All right. Week 2, lesson 2. This is your fourth lesson in Scratch. We're going to do something different today. Um, this time we're going to go to File and New and start something brand new here. So you'll have your sprite that is a cat and a blank screen. And what I want you to do today is to cut this sprite out completely. And I want you to draw your own character this time. So I want you to surprise me with your own character today. And I usually draw this like Sonic type superhero character, the big nose. And he's got a little body and big feet. Draw the second foot here. Alright, so bear with me as I draw my character. So I'm going to take a moment. Alright. So I'm going to make his hair, with the fill bucket, I'm going to make his hair purple. And I'm going to make his nose green. His glasses, of course, have to be black. But his head, his face, have to be red. And his clothes are blue. And his feet are yellow. Of course, I'm just making this up as I go. And his hands, yeah, I'm going to make his hands same color blue there. And of course, he has to have a cape flapping in the wind. Alright, there he is. There's my character. Okay, he looks good to me. Okay, you can add some background later if you like. You can make them larger, make them smaller, make them larger a little bit. We're not going to animate them or anything today. All I want you to do is surprise me with something, because what we're going to do here is to create a second sprite. I'm going to choose the fire-breathing dragon. Okay. And your goal today is to click on your first sprite and make them change into the second sprite. Now let me show you how that's done. First of all, we have both sprites showing. So how can I get rid of this sprite? We'll pause to listen to comments. Okay, hopefully you've come up with a solution. I'm just going to go ahead and take the green arrow. So when the green arrow is clicked, I'm going to go over here to looks. You have two kind of really cool things to use down here. They're very simple. One's called show and one's called hide. So when you click the green arrow, sprite 2 should hide. See how sprite 2 is highlighted? Make sure you remember it. That's the script you're working on. Okay. So I'm going to go to sprite 1 now. I'm going to put that out there. When the green arrow is clicked, I want to make sure he shows, which he does, of course. Green arrow is clicked. He's showing. He's still hiding. Okay. Now, what I want you to do is to create something creative here, something unique, something different than everybody else. So when you upload it, I will be surprised. Well, we're going to go to Control, and you'll notice that when you take this command right here, when sprite 1 is clicked, something can happen. Okay? So, I don't know. I'm just going to make mine explode. How's that sound? Is that all right with you? Okay. So in order to do that, I'm going to go to costumes, and I'm going to, let's see, I'll just copy that, and then I'm going to edit it. Okay, so I want him to explode. So to do that, I'm gonna clear what we have here, and I'm just gonna draw a globule with a whole bunch of globules coming out of it, like this. And you got to make sure you close those, by the way, or they won't color in correctly. So I'm going to make sure they're all closed. Okay, so I made them multicolored. So I'm going to fill box here with all the colors I can remember that he had. We'll just do multiple colors. And so you can see we're making him explode. Whoops, I don't want that. That's wrong. So look, you get the undo feature here. So you can come back and color that in. Got a little white spot. All right, we do green here. And I'm just going to randomly pick some colors just for the sake of moving on. Okay, so that's my first one. And now I'm going to copy this and edit this. And I'll take a big eraser here and I'll just erase all of this. Actually, I'm just going to clear it. I think it might be easier. Okay, and now I'm going to draw, I'm going to draw some bigger things exploding out here. Alright. So I got a lot of things I'm going to color in here. So I'll do that with the fill bucket, and I'll just kind of randomly do it with different colors. It'll be a little faster this way. Thank you for your patience. You're all watching intently. Let's do a purple. Can't do a purple there because I didn't close it. I got to go back and close that with a black. Sorry about that, everybody. There we go. Now I'm going to go back to the fill. Do a couple oranges. Okay, now I'm going to do one last one. I'm going to clear this. Whoops. Did I just do something wrong there? Let's cancel that. Yeah, I didn't copy that. That would have really messed that up. So let's edit this one. Let's clear it. Now I'm going to draw thin lines going off in all directions. Pardon me, my phone is ringing. It's Mrs. Smith. Right now I am doing this, so I can't answer your phone call. So you all get the idea here. I'm creating 3 different characters, and of course I'm going to switch costumes here shortly. Okay, so again I'm going to fill these in. Red, red, blue, blue, yellow, yellow, green, green, and something there in the middle. Okay, good. All right. Hey, my other phone is ringing. Okay. I bet you it's Mrs. Smith. What do you think? All right, I'm going to go to scripts. So when sprite 1 is clicked, what I'm going to do here is I am going to switch to costume 2. Then I'm going to switch to costume 3. Then I'm going to switch to costume 4. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, nothing happened here. I clicked the green arrow and nothing happened. Why is that? A good time to pause. Okay, we didn't tell the computer to switch back to costume 1 there at the beginning, so we're going to do that. And click the green arrow, and there he is. Okay, when the sprite is clicked, boom. Okay, he exploded. That's not bad. But what's the problem? Another good time to pause. Okay, we're back, and you're right. It went so fast to costume 4 that we never had a chance to see costume 2 and 3. So we are going to put just a fraction of a number in here, and let's see what we get. Okay, hey, that's good. That's not bad. Except I'm going to make this larger. Oops. I don't know what I just did there. Oh, we switched to, all right, I'm gonna make that larger. Let's see if that looks better. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna need a sound. Let's see if we have any explosion sounds. Not sure that we do. Effects. That is not an explosion sound. I don't see anything for explosion, so I'm just gonna have to create my own. All right, ready? Here we go. All right, that's my explosion sound. All right, sounds pretty scary. Let's put that into the script. Okay, so when the sprite is clicked, make the explosion sound. So all I got to do is just grab another when the sprite is clicked. Go to sounds, play recording 1, see what it sounds like. It's a little long, don't you think? All right. Okay, now what I need to do is to hide this. When we're done with costume 4, we're going to hide it. Because we don't want that explosion to linger. Here we go. Okay. Now, we're going to have our dragon show up. How do I do that? Good time to pause. Okay, so you guys said to just have it show. So if we go to looks and we've got show here, but you know when we click the green flag, if we put it right under hide, he's just going to show right away. So you said we need to wait a few seconds. Let's make it 5 seconds and see what happens. Okay, here we go. There he is. Except they don't like him way up there. I'm just going to move him right to here. All right. And if we want to make sure, he goes to 0, 0. We can just always tell him to go to 0, 0 when the flag is clicked. All right. That works pretty good. 5 seconds is a little too long. I'll change it to 4. And now I'm going to go to sounds because I want to see if there's a dragon sound. What sound would a dragon make? That I do not like. Try another one. Isn't there a dragon in here? How about animal sounds? Human animal sounds. Did we just do animal sounds? Okay, there we go. Okay, so my dragon's gonna do this. Go back to scripts. I want to make sure that when he shows, he makes his sound. Play the horse. Here we go. Clicking. There you go. All right, that's your assignment for today. Draw your own sprite. Make him do something. Make him disappear on the click of a mouse and make something else show up and surprise me. All right, good luck.